First of all, I have to introduce our president, Mr. Zhang. And I'm sorry to that because it's not good for English, okay? I'm here just to say hello.
Good morning. Everybody, good morning.
Also me, I'm not a good English speaker, okay? If there are any question, any problem, please stop me to ask, okay? Thank you. So let's begin the presentation to show about that company. Anyone need coffee first? We have coffee here. Okay. We are a song group company, okay? And Enos is the one to service with your project because we are the team. Enos team is the team following the finished product, okay? And we have several companies separate under some group. There's for different process. Okay, we have plastic molding for tooling, manufacture, and injection, and also die casting for aluminum alloy. Okay. And we have painting and assembly. Okay, we are separate totally 5 companies and some group. And when you come in from a big gate, inside all some, okay, and we founded in 1997. Around around the 32,000 square meter here totally. And we have around 1,000 employees inside here. And there's certification for ISO 9001, also TS 16946 for factory management system. Okay, Enos is a division of some group for finished product and following your project from concept to the finished goods. Okay, that means until the shipment. Here is the turnover about that company. Last year, USD, okay. Our service, first of all, the engineering, R&D department, to help you guys to following the design, the drawing, something like this, okay? From what your idea, what your concept, what you need, there's some samples similar your products, okay? We put there. So we can do engineering for the construction, drawing, okay? And following the tooling, manufacturing, then injection molding. Then if there needs the metal part for aluminum or zinc, okay, so let's come in die casting. Also, after die casting, there's machining to cut the metal part to have precise dimension. Okay, so here it's calling machining. Then coming is that, as you know, some cosmetic requirement to have beautiful color. So we have painting, Then later we can show you, okay, step by step. Then finally the assembly. We have 2 assembly line here inside, but sorry to tell you that we not allowed to visit inside because the NDA issue. Okay, we need to protect the product for a crime. Okay, but later we will show you the pilot run line because there's nothing inside. Okay, just to show you, we have pilot run print. Okay, and about the tooling, every month we can produce around 150 to 200 sets of tooling inside our factory. So there's totally around more than 300 workers focused on the tooling. And 30% of them export outside China. Huh? Then here is engineering. We have 46 engineers in charge the design for the parts, for the tooling, and also for the assembly. Okay, following the project, because as you know, we are not the PCBA manufacturer inside here. So we have a project engineer to follow in this because we need outsourcing for the PCBA. These are the only parts we are not producing inside. Then tooling. We have 3 working shops planned inside here for toolings. And there's some machines, equipment for CNC, EDM, milling, something like this. Later we will show you step by step with what is, okay? And what is the proposal, what the machine doing, okay? Quality control. First of all, we are following, as we are a Hong Kong company, okay, we are following exactly the ISO system here for every step, from beginning, even engineering, to the final finished product. So there's ISO 9001, also TS 16946, okay? And there's also in process checking. Mostly we are talking about the dimensions. We are talking about the dimensions. So we are here mention CMM for 3D checking, okay, injector for dimensions. For our dimensions, we can check very precise to have also a detailed list for checking report. There's several machines for checking. Okay, here no one explain. Okay. Then coming is injection molding for the plastic part. We have 50 machine for injection. From a first range is that how big the machine can do the part. Okay. From 85 tons to 1,200 tons, including 11 machines for double injection, 2 current injection, 2 shots, also pulling. Okay, there's some parts for double injection. We are professional for this, especially for double injection. Okay, there's several parts just to show. Then die casting. We have 2 die casting workshop with machine range 250 ton to 1,300, including cool chamber. Okay, I don't know if you guys understand or not, but this is the different way for the process to get the metal parts for aluminum, alloy, and zinc. Later we also will show. And including also because the die casting part, the dimension comes out is not so professional. Okay, so coming this machining to take out the flashes to get a much better the dimension. Okay, so they come in machining. Also is CNC. Then painting. We have one automatically line, dust field, and another line is not automatic but by hand. Okay, just because to fit different requirement for different parts. Then assembly line. Do assembly line for mass production. This is not allowed to visit. Okay. Sorry for that. And we have 3 lines for power run. Maybe there's little worker inside. Okay. Something is not so important for the client. They are not specially require us to keep in confidential. Okay. So we are allow you guys to inside. Just take a look. Coming, we show in the product we here. This 3 machine is producing by us inside the company for instant heating water dispenser. This one coming the boiling water in 3 seconds. Normally not wasting electric. Okay, save power. Then here is the capsule machine for cheaper, high brand. Okay. So later, if someone needs the coffee, we can share here. Okay. Also here a milk former to get the process very professional from to have a cappuccino. Okay. And this is the case we are going to talk about it because just to show you how we follow this project inside. Okay, what we can do. This product is for cappuccino. Everyone knows for this. Okay, and the key point for this product is that this machine allowed to washing and running water. Also can put the water sink. Okay, so the key point is that to get very good waterproof. This we designed for especially for a crane. Okay, and it already in the market, so we can talk about that. And firstly, we received the concept or roughly the drawing of looking. Okay, then inside here we do the design for the construction, make the detail each part and detail copying something like this. Okay, matching for each part, and we for sure together work with the client the details according the client's requirements. Okay. Then we will do the prototyping. After the 3D drawing comes out, we will have the prototyping, means to have a mock-up sample. Firstly is the outlooking we do. Okay, only outlooking, not function, to check if this is what is the client needs. So finally, the client confirmed, we will move on to have a prototyping and mock-up sample. With functions to check every part if it is reasonable or how to say it is good for manufacturing. Also, is the performance is good to checking. Okay, so we will have a function mock-up sample to testing the performance, also checking the construction for matching each part. Okay, then to avoid that you know, if the project goes on a tooling process means there's huge money is put in. Okay, so to avoid some risk for the problems comes out. Okay, so we're checking the parts and the testing the function. Then anything fine, we're coming to have a tooling. We'll have to tooling design for each plastic part, also including metal parts, stand beam parts. Okay, stand beam means that the metal sheet to have to get a different shape. Okay, this is the stamping. But we here also following. Also, there's silicon, especially for this product. Okay, require the silicon very process. Other thing to design the tooling to have a very good manufacturing to get okay. Then we will have analysis. Okay, I'm sorry. This I don't know how to do. Sorry. Anyway, we are checking. Okay, the more flow to checking the before the tooling making to checking if the parts is there's some deformation or there's some defects comes out. Okay, so we do this kind of by the software. Okay, then we come in the more design, then manufacture. Manufacturing is making the tools. Then we are here to producing the plastic or the aluminum parts. Okay. Then come in the painting or print, then assembly. This is what we are doing inside the process. And we all doing in this area, okay, all the process. This just details to explain each steps, the design. Explain. Oh, okay, there's one very quick issue actually. We have one very big 3D printer to get a mock-up. Later we will show also. There's some samples in behind the machines. Okay, this machine is very expensive. More than 3 million. This machine, RMB. Okay, so he can do nylon fabric material and with very strong result. Okay, you will not break. So comes out the parts can be the real, just like real, similar like the tooling sample. Okay. Then this is the checking to find out if there's some problem, quality issue, deformation, different color we will show. Then tooling. This is the manufacturing for the tooling. Then injection, the parts, preparing the parts. Okay, painting, assembly. Thank you. Okay, here we just roughly talking about our company. Okay, later we will separate in 3 teams to show you the manufacturer place. Okay.
Okay.
So thank you for coming again.
Thank you.
Then here I'm finished. Any question you can.
I have a question. I'm living in Singapore, and if I want to cast a molding in here, you will redesign my CAD data, right? Because my CAD data is not sure for the cast molding. Yes, and we can arrange together the my cast molding data to change the more and more fine cast molding.
Sorry.
In the prototype, I doing a prototype at the 3D printer
Yes.
and making the CAD data.
Yes.
But this is not for sure for the cast molding. You need make my design again and rearrange for cast molding, right?
Actually, you just give us the 3D join. It's enough. Okay. We just put the 3D in that machine. Then he will automatically comes out the parts. No need some very complicated translation. Okay. You are talking about this.
Yes, I'm talking about this. But my design is I didn't have experience of the cast molding. Maybe you can make a much cheaper arrange or much affordable arrange, right?
Yes, yes. So first of all, when we receive your project, we will check it by the software. Okay. First to see if it comes out the problem. Anything fine, everything fine. We will do the 3D printing to check the real. Okay. So to make sure if this, sometimes the software is not 100%. Okay, perfect. So after the checking, we just print out the parts to assemble the real machine. What is
Okay.
Okay, to checking.
Okay, I'm making the CAD data at the Singapore and sending the data to you, and you will test again at your project. And if you find a problem, you sending the data again to me, and I checking the data at the Singapore, and we confirming okay and okay. You doing the final one.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, we will do ourselves the testing, but we will also send a sample to you. You will check because you know better than me. The product.
Okay. Sometimes you doing the test casting and sending it to me by maybe the DHL or maybe EMS, and I find those price. Okay, that's okay. Let's go.
Let me go on.
Okay, good.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
I know many of these products look like they must be very high volume.
Sorry.
I know many of these products look like they must be very high volume. Many of these brands and food are very high volume. Are you also open for injection molding and assembly to do work with lower volumes, maybe like hundreds of thousands per month?
Yes, because we have around 50 injection machine. Okay. This not for everybody have huge quantity for product, especially at this moment. Okay. The world is changed. The product is not like before. Okay, so we have machine around sometimes to produce in 1,000, 2,000 is okay because it is for a machine running 1 day or 2 days is enough. Just not PCs because this is wasting time because you first of all you need to load in the machine, you need to check in. Okay, then just come out sell few parts. It is very big cost for that. So normally we will have MOQ for that, but it's not huge quantity. It's thousands, so it's okay.
How long it takes to make approximately mold?
That depends how complicated your parts, your product, okay? But let's launch faster. We can do 20 days, and to maybe 45 days. That depends different parts, okay? So this is the range 20 days to 45. For 2 short tooling, double color tooling will take long time, maybe 30 days. Okay. Also depends the part. Yeah. But also we can sometimes do another way that I know there's a lot of client require to have small quantity first to checking. Okay. So you know we are a mold maker. We have so many tool, maybe already waste. Okay, already put in rubbish. So we will do a fast tooling, especially for some requirement for the client. We save the cost, save the timing. Okay. Yes.
So you said that, so his question was, can you take designs for 3D printing and convert those to designs for injection molding, right? You guys do that.
Yes.
So what's your fee structure for that? How do you charge for that? Is it by the hour, like per hour that you guys to do the conversion? Is that looped into production costs? How does that work?
He asking the design fee. Because you arrange and you find your idea, we have to pay you thinking per hour or maybe some of the consulting fee.
You mean just the checking, evaluation?
Yes, checking prices.
To convert from, if we bring you designs for 3D printing, and you said you can convert those to designs for injection molding, so how do you charge for that?
It's a free service.
Is it a free service?
Yes.
Free service?
Yeah, free service.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like that answer.
That's the agency thing.
We have our own engineer, so we pay anyway, right? So just taking time.
So just
Yeah.
send your 3D drawing.
Yeah.
Do you have key accountants who
Yes.
speak English and
Yes.
you have a
Yes. We have here the guys waiting for operation sales. Okay. Also together one project engineer. So these two guys also speaking English. Yes.
Just want to get a rough idea of like how much I have to pay for the manufacturing. Like for example, in the case you talked about just now, from the beginning until the point you start manufacturing, how much roughly do I have to pay?
Normally, you don't have to pay the development cost. Okay, and so the most cost is for the tooling and for the mock-up samples. So how much I cannot answer you because it's totally different.
Yeah. So if I sign up with you,
Mhm.
you probably will charge a fixed price. So that in case if I ask you to do something and halfway I just
It's like a deposit. So what's your
Yeah.
payment terms? How many percentage to prepay and how many percentage after the tooling ready and
Okay. Tooling, normally we always following the payment term is by 3 times. Okay. First, when you conform to go on to have tooling, you have to pay 30 to 50%. That depends because different projects. Okay, because we need to buy the material. Okay, after conform to go on to open the tooling, we need to pay this. Then another middle payment is for when we finish to have first of tool. Means we have try production. First time the T1, T0, T1, this stage. Okay. Then the final payment is before the mass production. That means you already conform to approve this is okay for production. Okay, we separate 3 times pay for the tooling. For mock-up, we need to pay one time because it is not so big account. Okay.
Okay, if no question, we just go show the factory.
Yes.
For product design, can you do electrical design as well as mechanical design, or just mechanical design?
Mechanical and electronic. We have electronic engineer, but we are not manufacturing here. We have a very good partner who is in charge of this.
Got it. But you can do like PCB layouts and then you.
Yes, yes. Also, we cooperate with EMC company. Okay, so we working tightly with them because we have project engineer to following your project. So we are not so many people to communicate with you. Just one sales and engineering. That means from technical point of view, also from the business point of view. These two guys. Inside, no need you touch. Just okay. Anything, just talk to them. It's enough. Yes.
Part is very small and accept these order very small size.
Yes.
Could you do insert molding, insert injection?
Inside injection. You mean
Some metal parts.
over molding?
What is the smallest part of the custom?
Yeah, small part maybe.
Because some pieces require
Very process. 2 mm.
2 millimeters.
Yeah, 2 mm. Okay.
Well, quite a small.
It is smallest part. If you are talking about the over molding, it's just like that. Put the metal inside the tooling, then injection. Yeah, we do that also. Yeah. Also, you can see. Sorry. This is not a
You mean metal powder?
metal sheet. This is for car. Okay, you can see that. Okay, this is for car. Also, you can see this is not only two shot injection. Okay. Also inside the post, metal.
Oh, okay, I see.
Right? Screw for screw. So this is not a problem.